Hello, Click Designers. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be walking you through the packaging templates on your ClickDesigns account. So after you've logged in and are on your dashboard, you want to go to templates. So click on the template section. From here, you want to look for the packaging category. So just click on this arrow and scroll until you find packaging, which is right here. So once you click on packaging, you will be able to access different types of categories of packaging templates to choose from. So first we have cosmetics. We also have one for beverages. There are templates for supplements, templates for different bags, templates for box packaging, a section for food packaging, and lastly, a separate section for mockups. So if you noticed when you go through the different types of packaging templates, there actually are different subcategories within them. So you can view that on the side. So for example, if we were to go to the bag section, we have paper bags, plastic bags, and shopping bags. Similarly to the beverages, we have glass bottles, paper cups, mugs, cans, and plastic bottles. So it is very specific for your every packaging need. So as always, there's always an option to start from scratch if that is what you prefer. Simply click on Start from Scratch. This is going to open up the editor where you will be greeted with a blank canvas. Now let's try making one out of a template just to show you how quick and easy it actually is. Now I want to choose a cosmetic. So let's scroll and look for a template to work with. So I really like this spray bottle. I'm going to click on this pencil icon to take me to the editor. Clicking on that pencil icon will take you here. So from here, you have an option to, again, edit your template or design. You can upload an image or an already made design if you have one. If you have that on your library, you can choose that through here as well, and you can export your design flat. We are going to walk through the editing process. So I'm going to click on edit. This is going to take me to the ClickDesigns editor. Now this template is really nice, but I want to change up the background that we have here. So this background is an image. So let's go to the image section. Let's go to search. I want to change it to a light color, probably like a color yellow. So let's go to the search bar and let's search for a yellow gradient. Okay, so this is what we have. I really like this first image. I'm going to click that. Now we have this image. I'm going to remove the image that we had from the template, and then I'm just going to move this around and then make this our new background for our packaging. So I'm going to go on layers here to move this behind all of our text. We can adjust the image as well. I kind of want to make this lighter. I'm going to go to opacity. I'm just going to lighten that just a little bit. There you go. And then now for the text. So I want to change the font on this template. You can actually upload your own fonts through the brand kit. We do have videos on that as well. So I'm going to go to my brand kit and I'm going to use one of my own uploaded fonts. Okay, so I really like this one. So I'm going to change the rest of this design with the fonts that I have here on my brand kit. Let me just make sure that everything is uniform there. And then the logo here, again, you can always add your own logo, but I'm just going to keep it the same. I'm going to make that slightly larger. So I'm going to go to the text settings and then I'm going to enable shadow. I'm just going to add shadow to this area of text. I'm just going to adjust the offset slightly. And then I'm going to change the shadow. I'll just lighten it a little bit, maybe make it pink. I'm going to try to add some more. I'm going to go to the illustrations section over here. And then I'm going to scroll through the different options. You can actually search for a specific illustration if you'd like, but I'm just going to scroll through here and see what I can work with. Okay, so I went to the mixed media section. I really like the elements that we have on here, and I think that they match really well with this color story. So I'm just going to click on one. I'm thinking of maybe adding it behind everything else. So let me just make this bigger, and then I'm going to move everything, and then I'm going to adjust the opacity. There you go. So once you are pretty good with what you have, click on preview over here on top. And then here on the corner, it's going to show you how your design looks like on the bottle. So here you go. I really like it. I think it looks really unique, matches the bottle really well. When you're happy with that, click on save and exit. And then from here, don't forget to always save your design. And then you have the option to export the design flat, or you can export the design over here. You can choose an export type, a DPI, and if you want to enable a watermark. So there you have it. That is everything that you need to know about the ClickDesigns packaging templates. Again, this process works the same with all of the packaging types. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that this tutorial was helpful.